Awadh.
Yes, ma'am.
So you work in BCG.
Yes, ma'am.
And this abbreviation is also used for
A pharmaceutical company, ma'am. A pharmaceutical drug.
what it is? Can you name it?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Which disease? It is for which disease?
Sorry, ma'am. I don't know.
Okay. So you are working in Gurgaon. You will stay in Gurgaon.
So my job involves traveling to the client location. So during the weekdays, I am in Jaipur, where we are working with the state education department, and on weekends I'm in Gurgaon, ma'am.
What is the reason of high crime rate in Gurgaon?
Ma'am, first reason that I feel is that infrastructure fallacies are there in Gurgaon. For example, in the night when me and my friends are traveling, you don't find proper light on the roads. Then you don't find enough number of police officials in the far off regions. In the cyber city region you will find them, but in the far off region like sector 57 and all, you don't find them. And then there is a rampant amount of drinking habit that I feel that perpetuates due to probably proximity of cyber hub again, and most of the crime that I have witnessed or I've heard about involves liquor consumption somewhere or the other. So that's another reason, ma'am.
Okay. Have you heard about Surajkund Mela?
No, ma'am. Sorry.
So it's a very famous festival of Haryana.
Sorry, ma'am. I'll read about it.
Okay. Tell me 3 things that Haryana should improve. 3 steps Haryana government should take to develop Haryana.
Ma'am, firstly, it should empower its women. It should improve its sex ratio. It should enable them to break out of. Secondly, to develop more while ensuring that agriculturists have all the resources. Riding on to the NCR wave will be more helpful. Extending the Faridabad Gurgaon model to Sonipat will be flipping stone. Third, ma'am, third would be to again, I'm sorry, I'm not able to think about it. Can I take a second?
Yeah, please.
And thirdly, it has, as you said, Surajkund Mela. After living in Gurgaon for 3-4 years, I never heard about it. It should promote its tourism. It should bring in more people inside and use tourism as an industry to promote its culture and economy, ma'am.
Surajkund Mela happens in Faridabad. So you have done Vipassana meditation.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the concept of Vipassana meditation?
Ma'am, it involves 2 major processes. First is Anapan, second is Vipassana itself. The first process is to focus on your breath, to know yourself better, to be more focused. Second process of which is Vipassana, which involves looking at your sensations and being equanimous about them, whether it's a good feeling sensation, bad feeling sensation, but being equanimous. And that goes on to explain their philosophy that everything in life is neither good nor bad. It's because you feel that because of your sensations. So if you become okay with your sensations, you become okay with ups and downs in life.
Okay, let's take a situation. So you have cleared this exam and you are posted in a district as SDM. And your subordinates refuse to comply with you. They refuse to take your orders.
Okay.
So what will you do?
So assuming a general condition when my subordinates are not following my order, there are 2 approaches. One is to take a softer approach and another is to take a harder approach. I will start with the softer approach, whereby I will try to understand what their issues are, why they are not complying with the orders, even though they know that it could result into some disciplinary action, and will try to resolve them in an harmonious manner. But if it still not happens, to ensure that work gets done, I will have to take some disciplinary action, ma'am. Like suppose they are not suppose it happens in the department that if someone is being called for a meeting or someone is
Not
given
coming,
a
yes.
task and that person does not fulfill, you issue a U-note to them to come and justify it. If then also they don't do it, you do something which can have some impact on their ACR, so they toe the line. But I think that works in a limited fashion. A harmonious approach is always a better approach, but if after everything it doesn't work out, you have to take the harsh methods.
Thank you, Awadh.